signs of the boat show. Let's go, baby. So many signs for the boat show. So the thing with traveling is that I often get to stay with amazing friends, and this time was no exception. At the Annapolis Boat Show, getting to stay on excellent adventure with Laureen and Jason Hudson. Hi, I'm Nica Waters, and welcome to Tasty Thursday. It's Travels with Tasty Thursday. We're making Persian rice in the galley of a 47-foot catamaran. We're doing Persian rice?
Persian rice.
Okay, this is Laureen. Hi, Laureen.
Hi.
Okay.
So, we just parboiled a bunch of rice, and it is slightly crunchy inside.
Okay.
And we are melting a whole lot of butter.
A lot, like a bunch.
Like a bunch,
A
like
bunch. Half,
like
quarter of a stick?
yeah, quarter of a
Like
stick.
quarter of a stick?
Like a quarter of a stick.
Awesome.
A couple of tablespoons.
Excellent.
All right, and we get it nice and bubbly.
Okay.
Got it nice and bubbly.
All right.
And we grab a biggish spoon,
Okay. All right.
and we take some of the rice, not all the rice, some of the rice, and we tamp it down on the bottom.
Okay.
Because what that does is it makes this
crusty,
yummy butter crust on the bottom that the Persians call tagt. And it's
what?
considered
They call what?
tagt. T-A-D-G-H.
Ooh, cool.
And it is considered a delicacy. Like, the people who are honored guests get the crusty, buttery yumminess at the bottom.
Awesome. Okay.
And then you take more of the rice.
Yeah.
Not all the rice.
Okay.
More of the rice.
Okay.
Like, yeah, that much.
Okay.
And you make it nice and fluffy.
Okay. And then.
Take your lid,
Okay.
wrap a towel around the lid.
As you're steaming, you're trapping the steam in it.
Exactly, and you don't want it
Okay.
to get all gooey.
Yep.
And you put it under kind of a lowish heat.
Okay.
And then you leave it there until the steam really starts boiling out of it.
Okay.
So while you're waiting for that to happen,
Oh, you're putting some more butter in
you're
that
putting
rice.
butter
Yep.
in
Perfect.
and a little bit of salt.
Yep.
Now, if you're wealthy, which I'm not, you have saffron water
Oh,
that
but
you
you're
throw
using
in.
turmeric.
But I am using turmeric because
Turmeric is life.
too rich
Yes.
for me.
Yep.
And then you
Yes, it is.
Mix it all up in there so you
Mix
get
it
a
all.
beautiful color
get the beautiful color
and,
and
the flavor of the
and
turmeric.
the flavor
Yep.
and the beneficialness
Right.
because
Anti-inflammatory, everything.
exactly.
Yep. Yum.
So you have
I wish you could smell this. It smells incredible. I love the smell of turmeric.
right, and as you stir it, the rice gets this lovely buttery yellow color. So when you serve the rice, and this rice is going under a stir fry,
All right.
you do a glob of the white rice and then a glob of the yellow rice, and it
Cool.
makes it look all lovely on the plate.
Ah, presentation. See, it doesn't take much for presentation.
Ladies king.
Ladies king. Excellent. Perfect.
So there we go.
Cool. Okay, so when you see the steam coming in off the top, then what do?
Then you
Turn off.
turn off the heat,
Turn off the heat?
grab
Do you
hot
leave
pad,
it alone?
and you take it off
Okay.
and you leave it alone.
Okay, leave it alone.
Leave it alone. Very cool. I looked them up this afternoon. Sea service to
And we're making Persian rice